The Polytechnic Transformation Plan provides the roadmap to develop and strengthen the Polytechnic system. It aims to give recognition to the Polytechnic education sector and make Polytechnics the preferred institution in the field of technical and vocational education and training. Emphasis will be given to manpower development and inculcation of excellent work ethics to produce a more knowledgeable, highly skilled, and marketable workforce with entrepreneurial capabilities. The plan also aims to change the public's perception of polytechnics by making the polytechnics into high-quality institutions of international standards and the preferred choice of students, as well as provide a viable alternative pathway to traditional university education. To achieve the objective of transforming polytechnics and making them the preferred institutions, the government has upgraded 3 institutions to premier polytechnic status. The 3 polytechnics selected as premier polytechnics are Polytechnic Ungku Omar in Ipoh, Perak, Polytechnic Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Shah in Shah Alam, Selangor, and Polytechnic Ibrahim Sultan in Johor. These 3 institutions will be granted high levels of autonomy and their focus will be in niche areas of the industry.
Premier Polytechnic akan dijadikan asas untuk mengembangkan sistem politeknik.
So the first pillar in the plan is upgrading Polytechnic to be at par with local universities. Part of the plan is setting up Center of Technology or COT in the niche areas. To explain how COT can be the catalyst in enhancing knowledge and skills in Tvet institutions, we will use COT in PSA as a sample. For Polytechnic Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Shah, or PSA, the niche area would be medical electronics. So the COT for PSA is the Center for Medical Electronic Technology, also known as CMET. It was established in 2012, located within the Electrical Engineering Department. CMET was established with a mission of transforming CMET as the leader in technical and vocational education and training. And its vision is to emerge as the center of excellence and achieve the highest standard in medical electronics for the nation. In order to realize the vision and mission, CMET implemented 3 initiatives: setting up an accredited biomedical calibration laboratory under expert services, training center related to TNL, and the R&I center. First, we have to look into expert services category. For CMET, the identified expert services are biomedical analyzers calibration and biomedical equipment maintenance. The activities carried out in the process of establishing the center will indirectly enhance the knowledge and skills of the staff and students in PSA. As for CMET, a lot of research has been conducted to develop accredited biomedical calibration laboratory since there is no biomedical calibration lab accredited to ISO 17025 in the country. But through hard work and determination, CMET successfully established the first ever biomedical calibration lab accredited to ISO 17025 within the country on the 7th of April 2014. ISO 17025 accredited laboratories have demonstrated that they are technically proficient and able to produce precise and accurate test and calibration data. The accreditation also endorses both laboratories' well-trained personnel, equipment for measurement of traceability and methods of testing towards accurate and credible testing and calibration data. Furthermore, accreditation is part of a quality infrastructure that facilitates trade and promotes global competitiveness. Laboratories that are accredited regularly submit themselves and their quality management systems to independent third-party audits and peer reviews. Having obtained the accreditation, they have therefore demonstrated that they are technically competent and are able to produce precise and accurate calibration data. The lab is accredited under Scheme Akreditasi Makmal Malaysia. It is not only meets both technical and management requirements for competence of testing and calibration, but also operates in accordance with MS ISO 9001 quality management systems. To be certified with ISO 17025, accredited by the Department of Standards Malaysia, laboratory accreditation bodies use the ISO 17025 standard specifically to assess factors relevant to a laboratory's ability to produce precise, accurate test and calibration data, including traceability of measurements and calibrations to national standards, technical competence of staff, maintenance of test equipment, quality assurance of test and calibration data, validity and appropriateness of test methods, handling and transportation of test items appropriately, and finally, maintaining the quality of the test environment and sampling. By having this certification, it proves that the staff have sound technical knowledge and skills to carry out calibration jobs using well-maintained equipment and valid and appropriate test methods. These activities help staff involved to enhance their knowledge and skills in order to be accredited. Currently, CMET provides two kinds of services to healthcare industries in countries and abroad. The two services are calibration of biomedical equipment analyzers and biomedical equipment maintenance. Through giving these services, they provide opportunities for the staff to become truly practicing lecturers. This is because, in addition to giving lectures to the students, they have to practice what they have taught by providing the expert services to the healthcare industries. It is an advantage to the students for having practicing lecturers because these lecturers are able to relate the theoretical concept exposed in the class to the real-world applications. It is proven that the students will have better understanding if they are very clear with how it can be applied to the real environment. Other than expert services, the other two CMET's initiatives also help to enhance knowledge and skills of staff and students of the institution. Recently, CMET provided training in the biomedical field to Bhutanese and Sudanese is the proof needed to show that we are competent and an expert on a technical level. For research and innovation activities, PSA successfully got a few recognition in the niche area. The latest recognition for its research and innovation is PSA won a gold award in Anugerah Harta Intelek Negara 2017 through its product called the Portable Elbow Joint Prototype Rehabilitation Device. The Center of Technology is a critical component to the Polytechnic Transformation Plan. The addition of the COT into the plan acts as a catalyst to the enhancement of expertise, skills, and knowledge of the staff and students involved. The existence of COT in polytechnics provide the ingenuity and uniqueness that separates one polytechnic from the rest, creating an identity of its own.
In my opinion, COT is a catalyst for knowledge and skills enhancement for Tvet institutions. I'm impressed with the services provided by CMET PSA for the healthcare industries in Malaysia. The calibration and periodic maintenance services provided by CMET proved that through COT establishment, it successfully enhanced the knowledge and skills of the personnel involved. Benefit to the industries, it reduces downtime and cost by not sending the equipment back to the principal abroad. Furthermore, CMET is a member of ILAC that allows to use the analyzers calibrated by CMET not to be retested if they want to use it in other countries. Thank you CMET for providing technical support to healthcare industries in line with Medical Device Act.